Hey there, online sellers! Ready to boost your e-commerce game? I'm here to share some pro tips that can elevate your strategy to the next level. First up, data-driven decisions. Leverage insights from tools like Google Analytics, Seller Central reports, or marketplace dashboards. Analyze trends, identify bestsellers, and plan your inventory accordingly. Next, let's talk about optimizing product listings. Your product title, description, and images are your virtual storefront. Invest in high-quality visuals, keyword-rich titles, and customer-focused content. Now build enhanced content. Go beyond the basics with A+ content or enhanced brand stores. These tools not only boost conversions but also strengthen your brand identity. Diversify marketplaces. Don't rely on just one platform. Explore new marketplaces to expand your reach while tailoring strategies to each platform's audience. And focus on customer experience. Fast shipping, easy returns, and proactive customer service make a world of difference. Happy customers = repeat customers. Here's a bonus tip. Keep exploring global opportunities through cross-border trade. The demand for unique, quality products is universal. The e-commerce journey is all about adapting, learning, and growing. Let's share our experiences and grow together in this ever-evolving ecosystem. So what strategies have worked best for your e-commerce business? Let's discuss in the comments. Catch you later and happy selling.